Cash allegedly found at the residence of a Delhi High Court judge has reignited the debate on judicial accountability. According to an article by my colleague Bhadra Sinha, cash was allegedly found at the outhouse of Delhi High Court Judge Justice Yashwant Varma by firefighters who were called to put out a fire that broke out there. Justice Varma was not in town when the incident happened, and the fire brigade was called by his family members. His 82-year-old mother and daughter were home at the time. The issue quickly made it to the Rajya Sabha on Friday, with senior Congress leader Jairam Ramesh urging Chairman Jagdeep Dhankar to direct the government to come up with a proposal for increasing judicial accountability. While raising the issue, Ramesh requested Dhankar to make some observations on this and give necessary directions to the government to come up with a proposal for increasing and enhancing judicial accountability in the country. Without mentioning the name of the judge, Dhankar referred to a historic legislation that had been passed by the parliament to deal with this issue. He was, of course, referring to the National Judicial Appointments Commission, or the NJAC Act, that the Modi government had enacted after coming to power in 2014. This new body called NJAC was supposed to be an independent commission established for recommending judges to the Supreme Court and the High Courts throughout the country, essentially to replace the existing collegium system of appointments. However, the law was struck down by the Supreme Court as unconstitutional in October 2015. Meanwhile, it was being reported that the Supreme Court Collegium has recommended the transfer of Justice Varma to Allahabad High Court, a news which did not go down well with the Allahabad High Court Bar Association. A notice issued by the association on Friday said that it was taken aback that the Supreme Court had transferred Justice Varma to the Allahabad High Court. It said, and I quote, "This decision of the Collegium of the Supreme Court raises a serious question as to whether the Allahabad High Court is a trash bin." Unquote. However, a press release by the Supreme Court on Friday clarified that the proposal for transfer of the judge is still under consideration and the Collegium is yet to pass a resolution on it. In fact, the press release also claims that the transfer proposal is independent of the in-house inquiry initiated by the court against the judge over the allegations. This is a developing story, so do keep an eye on ThePrint's website and social media platforms for more such updates. This is Apurva Mandhani reporting for ThePrint.